Hi friends, welcome back to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines and boxes that we drew yesterday. As you can see, this was the range that we drew for Nifty. It has broken on the upside and it's sort of consolidated there. So now this becomes our new support. So let's just go as usual, delete everything and start afresh. With the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty's bias is still bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this base created in August has still not been invalidated. The buyers here are still protecting and pushing Nifty higher and not allowing Nifty to fall from here. So, and most important, this base is much higher than the previous base created in April. Important levels, previous swing high. This is where we still know that there are big sellers. Until these sellers are exhausted, the buyers from here defeat these sellers, Nifty is not going to fly. So that's what we are trying to evaluate. Buyers are here in the previous swing high, previous swing low, sorry. Anything important? Nothing important I can think of. Going over to the weekly time frame. The bias, I am not sure because I will need at least another weekly candle to close before maybe I can come to a bias. Right now, this is a high and this is a lower high that it looks like a lower high is being formed. I'm not sure until this candle comes to a close. That's in a week's time. Are there any important levels to watch out for? Nothing I want to mark up here right now. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, what do we have on a daily time frame? I was not sure previously. I believe I'm still not sure because this is a swing low. That swing low was invalidated. This is a swing high and we still don't have another swing high for a lower high. So either we need a lower high for a bearish bias or a higher low for a bullish bias. We do not have either of these. Right now I used to have this. I had this level. This on a daily time frame is a flat top. That's where Nifty has taken resistance today. Let's see what happens to that level. And then as a support, I can say is on a daily time frame, this level could be a support. So two flat tops are what Nifty is trading between. Flat tops are big sellers, but this big seller, all these big sellers SLs would have been hit when Nifty opened gap up above there. So now it's all buy orders sitting there. So that's why I've just marked that level. Let's see. It's a very tight range that I've drawn. Let's see where Nifty goes tomorrow. So the bias, it's not sure. On a 4-hour time frame, it was bearish. That bearish momentum is invalidated. Was there a fair value gap I missed on the daily time frame? Yes, there is one. You can see from the top of this to the bottom of this, there's a fair value gap on a daily time frame. Keep it there. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. A 4-hour time frame. Previously, it was bearish. Why was it bearish? Because there was this swing high and then this swing high. So lower highs were formed. Now that is invalidated. So that makes it not sure. and this is the low, and we need a higher low if I have to say it's bullish. So 4 hour has become not sure, and 1 hour. Is there anything else I need to mark up there? Nothing. So on hourly time frame was bullish previously. So let's see swing lows. This is swing low. This is a higher swing low. Yeah, so on an hourly time frame, it is indeed bullish. All the others are not sure. Here is bullish, the monthly is bullish, and hourly is bullish. That is all. Let's see what happens. We do not have 100% clarity on the terms and conditions of the trade deal. So perhaps market is waiting for that. So this is sort of buy on news, and let's see what happens when the actual terms and conditions come out, and then that's when the real movement would happen. Ideally, what all these months a lot of us have been speculating that Nifty will take out all-time high once the trade deal is done, but that is not happening right now. I believe it is because of the skepticism on a few of the conditions, like the $500 billion purchase promise from India's side, and a lot of those things need a lot of clarity in the coming days, and I believe that's going to take some time. So let's see what happens. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I'm just doing this for educational purpose. Thank you.